Stop scrolling right now because what you are about to hear is going to completely change the tech industry forever. Forget everything you thought you knew about Apple's roadmap and forget the minor updates of the past few years. Massive leaks from deep inside the Asian supply chains and hidden code in beta software point to a June event that is an absolute massacre of the competition. Apple is preparing to drop a lineup so aggressively overpowered that it borders on science fiction. It will make your current devices feel like ancient bricks, altering your digital life across every single category. Apple executives are desperately trying to scrub these mind-bending specifications from the internet, but today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most disruptive keynote in modern history. This massive shift starts with a machine that rewrites the laws of computing power and thermal physics. For over a decade, the Mac Mini has been viewed as a quiet, silver entry-level box for basic desktop tasks. Those days are officially over. Apple is transforming this compact device into an undisputed desktop titan that will terrify high-end PC users. Internal leaks confirm that the new M5 silicon architecture is making a historic leap to a highly enhanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process. The transistor density on this chip is so extreme that it allows for massive processing power previously reserved for power-hungry tower computers. We are looking at a baseline Mac Mini that can effortlessly chew through multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw video, render dense 3D environments in real time, and run colossal localized artificial intelligence models completely on device without even triggering a cooling fan. To handle this extreme power, Apple has completely redesigned the internal chassis from the ground up. They are shrinking the physical footprint to rival the size of an Apple TV while introducing a revolutionary thermal management system. This setup utilizes aerospace-grade graphene sheets and a microscopic vapor chamber. Imagine holding an aluminum box in the palm of your hand that holds more raw processing power than high-end gaming rigs from just 2 years ago. Furthermore, the M5 chip features a drastically expanded dedicated neural engine. This serves as the central brain for the next evolution of Apple Intelligence, making the Mac Mini a proactive digital assistant. It learns your specific workflow, anticipates your next move, and executes background rendering tasks before you even click a button. When you factor in Thunderbolt 5 ports offering insane bidirectional bandwidth, capable of daisy-chaining multiple 8K displays with zero latency, it becomes clear that the M5 Mac Mini is the ultimate weapon for creators that will shake the global PC industry to its core. My honest opinion on this product is that it completely redefines the value proposition of a desktop computer. If these leaks hold true, Apple is essentially democratizing supercomputing power by packing it into a form factor that fits in a backpack. It stops being a budget compromise and becomes the most logical choice for pro editors, AI developers, and daily users alike. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.